Well, hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. I wanted to thank everybody who came to the lunch with Tom today. It was really, really incredible, and I'm looking forward to doing the next ones. Today, the S&P 500 was up 0.8%, which was excellent. It was higher, and it came back down at the end of the day. There's an ongoing back and forth that's happening over the stimulus package. It's picked up some steam again, and so we'll see what happens there. It doesn't look that close, but the market is, factoring in some, potential for that to happen. So we'll see how that plays out in the end. Uh, the big story again today, really for about the fourth day in a row now, is the clean energy area, which continues to do really, really well. And I think, again, it's important to understand the concepts of what's happening here. So there's two pieces to investing. One is what I call the theme. So let's say, for example, if we looked at Microsoft, we'd say, okay, well, the theme is because of the pandemic, people need more Office 365 products, and specifically, they need more collaboration products like Microsoft Teams. And so they might see an increase in revenues and whatnot. And so a lot of times people invest purely on the theme. And I tend to do one more step, which I think is very important. You want to go in and look at Microsoft, and I want to see some proof. I want to see that start to move up first, because a lot of themes, let's say, for example, hey, cruise lines are going to recover, and we want to get in there, and we want to get in early and buy low. That can pay off very handsomely, but you might be sitting there for a year or longer before that finally really starts to take off. And so I just think kind of finding a theme that really works, and then finding kind of the wave that that theme is on. Once it gets on a wave, then we kind of join that. And that's what's happened with clean energy, obviously, too. So that's a great theme. It's certainly something that's very much, in vogue. People are talking about it. And obviously, there's a wave happening there, very, very strong. I mean, out of the 415, ETFs that I'm following, the clean energies have been at the top, at least top 5 for the past 4 times. So really not bad. All right, so good stuff. We did kind of meet my criteria. We've had actually 3 out of the last 4 days are up. That's usually a sign of a turnaround. So we'll see what happens there. See if that was a little bottom that we just made, last week. Hopefully, we'll see what goes on going forward. But I look forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow. Thank you.